Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best bookshelf living room is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your home. It's not just about storing books, it's about curating a space that reflects your personality and enhances your living experience. A well-designed bookshelf can serve as a focal point, adding warmth, character, and a touch of intellectual flair to any room. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic bookshelf living room setups. Number 5. VASAGLE Industrial 4-Tier Bookshelf. This bookshelf is designed to save space. It offers 4 tiers of vertical storage, perfect for small spaces in your living room, bedroom, or home office. Made with quality particle board and a sturdy steel frame, this bookcase is built to last. It can hold up to 88 pounds, providing reliable support for your items for years. Assembly is easy with the included instructions and labeled parts. You'll spend less time assembling it than deciding which book to read first. The X-brace reinforces the structure, and adjustable feet keep it balanced. An anti-tip kit is included for added stability and safety, allowing you to secure it to the wall. The rustic brown shelves and black steel frame create a stylish industrial look. It fits seamlessly with your home decor, giving your space an instant update. What we like? This bookshelf is designed to fit perfectly into small spaces. Its sturdy steel frame ensures it can hold all your books and decor for years to come. If you are looking to maximize storage in a compact area while adding an industrial touch to your home, you should definitely consider it. What people say? Great quality. Easy to put together. Looks great. Number 4. Best Choice Products 6-Cube Storage Organizer, White. This storage organizer offers a customizable design. You can mix open and enclosed backings to suit your needs. It's perfect for diversifying your storage solutions. This organizer is designed to fit anywhere in your home. It's great for displaying and organizing your favorite books, decor, toys, and other household items. It can also serve as a media stand. It's sized for TVs up to 32 inches wide, with additional storage for game consoles and other media devices. Made with engineered wood and a clean laminated finish, it's a space-saving addition. It has a weight capacity of 180 pounds, ensuring durability. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed in about 30 minutes. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home. What we like? This organizer offers customizable shelving options to suit your specific needs. It's also designed to be multifunctional, fitting seamlessly into any room. If you are looking for a versatile storage solution that's easy to assemble and adapt to your changing needs, this one is for you. What people say? The bookshelf is exactly what I was looking for to organize my books. The shelves are sturdy and hold a lot of weight. It fits perfectly in the living room and adds a touch of elegance. Number 3. YITAHOME White 5-Tier Bookshelf. This bookshelf features a streamlined, modern design. Its elegant look and simple structure make it a fashionable and functional fit for any room. With open shelves and a stable structure, it provides ample storage space. You can display your items from every angle, perfect for books, photos, and more. Crafted with a matte black metal frame and sturdy boards, it's built to last. The X-shaped rod in the back ensures constant stability. For added safety, anti-tilting tools are included. All necessary accessories and instructions are provided, making assembly quick and easy. This bookshelf is designed to maximize space. It's perfect for any room, serving as a bookshelf, plant shelf, or display shelf. What we like? This bookshelf boasts an artsy modern design that will elevate any room. With its versatile open shelves, it provides ample space for displaying your favorite items. If you like a stylish and functional storage solution that complements your modern decor, you should consider it. What people say? The bookshelf is exactly what I was looking for to organize my books. It fits perfectly in the living room and provides ample storage space. The design is sleek and modern, which complements the room's decor. Number 2. Crofy 5-Tier Gold Folding Bookshelf. This Crofy bookshelf features a convenient foldable design. It can be set up or taken down in seconds without any assembly, saving you valuable space when not in use. The bookshelf is built with high-quality plywood boards and a sturdy metal frame. This combination provides a strong load capacity, ensuring it will last for years of reliable use. This shelf is perfect for displaying various items in your living room. You can also use it in the kitchen or office for organized storage. The bookshelf includes a feature to fix it to the wall for added stability. This design helps prevent collapsing, ensuring safety. This product is backed by a 1-year guarantee from the purchase date. If you experience any issues, please contact us for assistance, including replacement accessories. What we like. This bookshelf features a unique foldable design for easy storage when not in use. It's built to last, providing reliable use for years. If you are looking for a space-saving and portable storage solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The bookshelf is exactly what I was looking for. It fits perfectly in the space and holds all my books. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. IRONCK 27.6 Wide Standing Storage Cabinet. Introducing the IRONCK Storage Cabinet. It's a versatile storage solution designed for various rooms in your home. This cabinet is perfect for keeping your space organized. This cabinet features 5 height-adjustable shelves and a spacious cabinet. You can customize the storage space to fit your needs. It offers plenty of room for books, toiletries, or kitchen supplies. The cabinet comes with 4 wheels and adjustable footpads. This makes it easy to move around or keep stable on uneven floors. It's designed for convenience and flexibility. Made from thick boards and heavy-duty metal, this cabinet is built to last. It's sturdy and can hold up to 58 pounds on each upper shelf. You can trust it to keep your items safe. Use it as a bookcase, bathroom cabinet, or kitchen shelf. It fits perfectly in your bedroom, kitchen, living room, or bathroom. It's a stylish and practical addition to any room. The cabinet is easy to assemble and maintain, with included instructions and accessories. You'll have it set up in no time. Enjoy the convenience and functionality it brings to your home. What we like. This bookshelf offers adjustable shelves and cabinet storage for versatile organization. It also comes with wheels for easy movement. If you need a flexible storage solution that can adapt to your changing needs and be easily moved around, it's a great option. What people say. The shelf is easily assembled and looks fantastic. It is very sturdy and I didn't even feel the need to anchor this one to the wall since it is short enough that the toppleability is fairly low. The little doors on this one are so cute. They actually hold a good amount of stuff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.